DoliDroid brings the DoliBar ERP and CRM dashboard to your Android device. The app is compatible with DoliBar version 10.0 and above. Once you are logged in, the dashboard is presented just like it is in the web version. All features available in the web version of DoliBar, even those provided by unofficial add-ons, are part of the mobile app as well. Note that some static resources of DoliBar, like images, are also embedded with DoliDroid and can be used to save you a lot of bandwidth. You can access the menu by tapping on the appropriate icon from the top bar. For example, to create a new third party, tap on the Third Parties menu option and choose New Third Party. Use the search button to look for specific information. You will find the same search fields as the ones available in the desktop version. Like in the web version, the view is spread out into tabs to present the information in an efficient and effective manner. The mobile application makes it easy to download and view critical documents such as invoices and receipts on your mobile device. Additional menu options are available. Once you are done with your current session, note that the app saves your URL and account information. This means that you can have a smooth login experience the next time around, without having to re-enter any information. DoliDroid is available on Google Play. Grab the app today and make business management a breeze.